Hey, what's up?
No.
Hello.
No.
Hi there.
Try again.
I am not a catchphrase. Fine. Howdy. Welcome to the channel. And today we're going to be going over Ryobi's 3-port 4-volt lithium chargers. So I just got through buying these chargers not too long ago, and I've got some use out of them. Now, one of these I bought from Factory Tools Direct, and one of these I actually bought directly from Home Depot. So the nice thing about these is you can easily take 3 of your 4-volt lithium USB batteries that look like this, and you can stab them into the container. And Ryobi actually does a really good job. They make it easy. Whenever you pull it out, you'll see on the front that there is a flat portion. You just take the flat part of your battery and you slide it into that portion of the charger. So it's real easy to stab these batteries in and go about your day. Now, I've used this for a while. There is one thing about these chargers that I actually really don't like. And the big thing about this charger that I do not like is that it doesn't charge all of them at the same time.
Okay, well, are you sure that it's plugged in?
It is sequential, and you'll see whenever I pull these out and I put them back in, I'm just gonna lay them here so I can try to shove them in all at the same time. Now these are all charged up, but you'll see that it'll light up one and it'll start working on one, and then it is going to move to the subsequent one. So it works well if you have a bunch of these batteries and you're coming in at the end of a day or end of working on something and you just wanna put them in there and get them all charged overnight or over an hour or a couple hours, then it's gonna work great for you. However, if you just want all 3 of them charged at the same time because you're actively working on a project and you want them all going at the same time, this is not going to make you happy. It's actually going to disappoint you. And another company that I actually really like, Anker, you could actually take an Anker charger, plug in 3 USB-C cables into that charger, and that would actually charge all 3 at the same time. There's plenty of power coming from a USA 120 volt power plug. There's no reason why this should be one at a time. So if you're in the market for a charger and you have lots of batteries like I do here, then this type of system might make real good sense for you and your project.
That makes sense to me.
However, if you only have a couple of batteries and you have 2 or 3 tools that you're going to be using them with on a continual rotating basis on a very specific project, then you actually won't want to have this charger because of how it does that sequentially. You'll want to get a high output Anker or something similar charger to where you can plug them in at the same time. It'll do a quick charge and you can move on to your project in a much quicker fashion. I'm sorry, the model number is just insanely long. Model number FVCH01 140507002. Say that 3 times fast. FVCH01 140507002. FVCH01 140507002. FVCH01 frack 140507002. Anyway, so great model number. So that goes over our the 4-volt lithium charge port, 3-port. Yeah, this thing. It goes over this thing. If you have any questions about this, please be sure to post them in the comments below. And I swear I can talk. It's early in the morning. I do appreciate you watching. And if you do have comments or questions about anything, be sure to post them like this, because I do actually hear what a lot of you guys are saying. A lot of you are frustrated with different tools, but a lot of you guys are actually really supportive of the brand and what they do. You love the ecosystem, and I love hearing all the different tools. I also love hearing some of the special tools that have happened around the world. Australia, I'm a little jealous of you all, not in a bad way, but in a great way. You all actually have a very specific drill that you all have that is an exclusive, and it's black more than it is this greenish yellow tint, and it's actually really cool, and I'd love to get my hands on one of those. So anyway, and if you have any questions about any of the tools that are behind me, please be sure to leave them in the comments as well. Thanks for watching.